The Khasi Students Union, Laban Circle, under the leadership of its president Reuben Najiar, along with priests of the Mahadev Khola Dham, the Superintendent of Police, Shillong City, Kharjongor, and other stakeholders had met the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, RM Kurbah, today to deliberate on concerns over alleged illegal settlement within the temple complex at Upper Shillong. The meeting, which lasted around 90 minutes, was described by Najiar as fruitful. However, he stressed that the union has demanded the immediate eviction of illegal settlers from the temple premises. He clarified that the KSU does not oppose the temple itself, but questioned the unchecked rise of unauthorized houses, shops and hotels within the complex. Recalling that the union had raised the issue in 2023, Reuben Najiar said that authorities had then assured the KSU that a report would be submitted within 3 months. Yet, despite this assurance, several new illegal constructions have come up in the area since that time. The student leader further alleged that the disputed site does not fall under the jurisdiction of either Lau Sotun or Upper Shillong Dorbarshnong. Despite this, he claimed that individuals residing there have been issued voter identity cards without proper verification of their credentials. Reuben Najiar maintained that the land measuring less than 1 acre was originally granted by the British government of Assam solely for the construction of the Mahadev Khola temple. Against this backdrop, the union questioned the authority of the Forest Department in collecting taxes or fees from the complex, arguing that the land does not legally belong to the department. The meeting ended with officials taking note of the concerns raised, even as the KSU pressed for urgent corrective measures to prevent further illegal settlement at Shillong's prominent religious site. Unless the matter is resolved with clarity and firmness, the Mahadev Khola issue risks becoming another flashpoint in the larger debate on land ownership, governance, and urban regulation in Meghalaya.
Kidon kumbah Hindu Pusangut kibasa hantu. Kini Hindu Pusangut kiri ki khun ki jong kita ki pandit ki balasa nuruk kisnam baladam. Nakaliang gaseng hausnam arjar arfuar apply pilai bangila kendang kiying bala encroach kiwi pagi jaka ngila bel itu nomor ba ngijulap man kapor ba kidon ki break bawan na Assam Uttar Pradesh nakaling saudang ko pertai ki bamdon ko wonsla kiwan jaka kiwan sa antu hakador bisis pa tingka ya kata kilat patai kubur ngila batai kitu bisnam ki baladam dan nakaliang jong kini par ki ong ba em kam simdon kunguta ya kabunta ki ong kidon tang Hindu Pusangut bat kini ki Hindu Pusangut ki ditang kita ki family members ni ki bahayang bahasam juga kita ki panden nakaliang jung ong ba kumung ngila ekran wagi kani kamdi kanong genti ka jongki tikimla ban ong ba ki bahayang bahasam kinsa hantu la sai ki kinyap kini kiwi kinsa kanumla ban long konta nistu ya kanyam kurkom ka jongki kamut batang budi pandit kamut bodo ki bahayang bahasam ka pateng banwan kini osa na hoto ka jaka nomor saisin ngan ban biang ka dulir nomor karkum ka dulir kamsim ai haunu unu ubrio ka ai bait tang ban senaya kata kamender ka ayak kan penun bu da kata kapor bahkan mak ya kata ka area bakin ai ban senaya ta kacaka te kabalai kolong ba kinu ki construction ki barang sna thamai mta kin buat sna kan sakut syokum tu kat ba kan padi lo kanu karai na surka kita ki mat ki bakham kungsan ki bangila rai mta sing atu ki ban efek nunu ka ke kebenja mo kam la ban long no menta kami bangin be no nomor ni kemki ong ba ki claim ba kila sala di spas na menta borok kinong ki barjala ki bawan buhay sini ki bawan tang arsing lai sini ki ong ya kata ngila sa ani last lunch post na kini ru ya katai na halo kata kanong rim yong pini ya kata ki efek ke jongki ba kila sa kita ki hold li kisnam kadet certificate fi bondon ka birth certificate fi bondon kita ki iki borok na kalang di ki ong kin session ya report na kalang di jongki ban verify kita Hindu Pusangut ki basa antai ki di wal asal akan muslim ki bakha hanu ki menu balayap di khunjung no bar kita ki report i borok ondala dep ai na kalang ka disi in sayo copy lang ni bangin sa punstad halo kata halo ta binta hatum ka dulir ka bungi yo ka disi ka duna ka jaka ki ba ai Jadi hatu kapor kalau adon ke encroachment ru, kalau adon ke kes ru nak kalian ke dorbas nong lostun baka file percaya kini pendek nomor ba kira encroach wat jaka jaka dorbas nong lostun ru. Henry hadin katu kes par kalau job no ke dorbas nong lostun ya katu ke jaka pat.
Hatu pibo jingkili yang bagi disi pada kumno ki yo permission masna hatu korban kala permission ki bagi snai.
Nak kalian disi la pencai ba kim simdon kan no permission, kim simyo kan no permission na muda, nena forest nena po disi office ru ban penkelai ban ai permission bagi cina yakini ki bro kilale baik hakamon kejuki kidon kidukan kidon ki catering business di bodan tu ya kataru kile hi klam kat no jingben te jingsha nakalian ki siru di ban wan tak sing hindai naka mikida bomla tim thare ki kamla ban point kalau tai bunta
hatu pi nam kani ke jingban thitbut lene panpor ban
nakalian jungi nginang pan kita jingsha ngong bang kani ka issue kala pending lagi bun sna nilaya kani issue no do arja khatra arja arpulai kadika por bangi to por binya ki bangi pedprai ti hadin gatu kala wan ka status ko bat arja arpusan i biang makila wansna biang niki structures repair kani kalong ke ek ba ni kum nakalian kasang imla biang bangi la keren chai nakalian disiru ila pincai ya kata bahwa nakalian jung i inchem ya kata ka rai in penklo ya kani kam impa syok sarkar bin ab ya kata ka report jong sarkar nakalian jung i ila bandu kawai ka bakungsan namar ba ya kata ka jaka barabor lada ni te ki mani ni ki ngatre kamdon kat kum kanu ka scheme bayarap nakalian ka sarkar ring apit pat ya kata ka jaka Mahadev Khola kidon pat ki scheme lese kala abandai nak kalian sarkar nak beri shimet Henry kini ki bureaucrats na po ka sarkar ni halayahi ki bimdi ki beri pasib ki beri ki bendri ki babai pisah kata ke jaka antai ya kata nilalap ending suka banginyo ikikot ban ka ban pentikna ya halor kata ka benta ban isa pentip ep kila kata ke buah